athletelean.com, bringing you another workout. As a trainer of top professional athletes and some of the top celebrities in the world today, I wanted to focus today on an area that we all care a lot about, and that's the abs, the stomach, the six-pack, whatever you want to call it. This is what we're going to tackle this week. What's cool is I'm going to bring you the exact workout that I would use. I think one of the leanest guys and one of the guys that I would call athlete lean, and that's Jose Reyes, all-star shortstop for the New York Mets. I had the pleasure of taking him through this very workout for 3 straight years, and the guy, I'm telling you, he's ripped. He's got one of the best midsections you'll find in the game of baseball. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate, because I want these workouts to be able to be done everywhere. I don't want to have an excuse that you don't have a partner, or you don't have any room, or you don't have a medicine ball. I'm going to show you these exercises that you can do anywhere. So we're going to just use a kettlebell to go through it. As I'm doing, I'll tell you some of the areas that you can substitute and use a medicine ball if you have a partner. We start off really basic, really simple. Back here, 2 hands on the kettlebell. If I had a medicine ball right here, I come up, throw it to my partner, catch it on the way down, slow down, and use my stomach. Here, I'm going to use the kettlebell, come up, push out, slow down, up, slow down. Good, up, slow down, up, good, slow down. We're going to go 20 of these, up, slow down, slow down. And from here, we're going to come right up here, and like this. Now let's have some cushion here. From here, we're going to go side to side. Now if I had a medicine ball here, I'd sit up, feet off the ground, partner throws the ball, and tap, and throw it across my body. Alright? Explosive. So from here, simulate, grab, down. So explosive. I'm reaching across both legs right now. Each direction. Okay? Now, from here, we'll lean back, and I do what we call a little scissor heel. So, from here, the legs are going to be off the ground, scissor, come up, grab my position, and down. Keep those lower abs firing by doing your scissor, about 20 degrees off the ground. Down. Yeah, establish my balance at the top. No rest between these exercises. Okay, 15 of those. Now, on top of you, come up, in, heel, legs off the ground, up, side, side, back down, heel, side, side, back down. Okay, go through 15. Grab your medicine ball, grab your kettlebell, put it right at the end of your feet. Balance, and then later, 25 punches. That's 20. My rule, when I work with my guys, you let that medicine ball drop, and any of the last 25, you gotta start over again. So, real quick, real demanding, but really effective circuit for your abs, your ripped abs like Jose Reyes and a lot of top athletes. This is what you're gonna do, alright? Guys, if you want to know more information, more great workouts, visit the link below, or just click on it over here. athletelean.com. I look forward to bringing you more just like this.